Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So guys, in this video I am talking about the tracker that I built for you for your progress and for your growth. So guys, I am telling you that for any skill, any habit and anything that you want to learn, you have to keep a record of that what are you learning, and is it upscaling or not, and what is the time and effort you are given for the particular activity. So I will take an example. Okay, so let's take an example of book reading. You want to start a habit of book reading. So if you want to start reading a book for 5 minutes daily till 30 days, then you can able to measure your growth and the time you invested in book reading, and at the end of the day you definitely build a habit of reading a book. You can take another example of public speaking or the communication skills that you want to build. So you have to work on that continuously at least for 30 days to keep yourself committed to the activity that you are learning, and also for the consistency. And by doing every day you have see some growth that okay, I am learning something. So you have to do these kind of activities to keep track of your record, whatever you are learning and whatever you are building for yourself, and what the habit you are achieving and what are the growth you are achieving. You have to measure the record because it is very important, otherwise you will lose the track. You will do for 5 or 10 days, but after that you stopped. So it is very important to have a track of this activity, whatever you are building for yourself, any skill set, any habit for healthy lifestyle or for the wellness lifestyle. It is related to education, your exam preparation, and anything. It is up to you what you want to work on the particular month or the 30 days span period, and you have to do it continuously with the proper measurable record with yourself. Okay, you can easily see by yourself that you have put some amount of time to this thing, and you see the results that what it is up to you are growing. So it is very important to keep track of your records. So advantage of the tracker is that you have to find the time for the particular activity, so you have to take the tracker every single day. So you develop a habit of commitment and consistency. Second, you feel good about yourself by taking every day. So because these are the things and the skill sets that you want to grow for yourself, and if you are doing it for yourself, you automatically feels happy, and you want to work every day and take out time for these activities to keep updated the tracker. So this is the third thing. So these all the things that helps you to grow and give you better results. So I will show you a quick video how to use the tracker, and you can use it for yourself by making a copy of that, and I will show you in the video. So guys, this is the Google Sheet tracker that I will give to you in the description. So here are number of days, time allocation and checkbox. Whatever is the activity or the skill set you want to work on, just be consistent and track the record here. So I will give you my example, like you want to build a habit of book reading. Okay, so day one, time allocation, uh, maximum will be 30 minutes, and then if you have done it, then tick the box. Okay, this is how you done, and you can start with 10 minutes. It's up to you with what time of margin you were giving to yourself for the particular habit. So, but I will tell you that whatever the time margin you give to yourself, be consistent at least for this timing. Let's suppose you've given yourself 10 minutes, then 10 minutes should be there every day, not less than 10 minutes. You can increase the timing but not reduce the timing, because it will not give you good results because you are giving less time. So be fix the time, what the time you want to give for the particular activity, and stick to it. You can raise it, it's very good, but stick to the time at least you give it to yourself. And similarly every single day came here,
and tick the box. So you have to do this for 30 days and you will see the result, that what are the things you changed in yourself, that by the that you changed in yourself by using this activity. So try it out and use this every single day for any habit, any skill, any course, any exam preparation you are doing, to keep track of your record. Okay.
I hope you get the idea that it is a simple tracker. You just have to go to the tracker day one, allot the time, what the time you decide for the particular activity. I will suggest you start with 30 minutes. It is the maximum I am suggesting. It is up to you. You can start with 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but 30 minutes is the maximum, not more than that. So you have to allot the time and then start by tick the box every single day. At the end of the 30 days, when you completed the tracker for yourself, you feel happy about it, that you learned something, that you really want to do it for so long, and start doing it for everything, so that you have a miserable record of your growth and results that you are find for yourself, that are remarkable. So I will give you the link in the description. Use the tracker and get benefited for yourself. And so use the tracker, guys. It is very helpful for your personal growth and everything that you committed to yourself, showing up every single day for the things that you want. So start doing it, and best of luck for that. And I will be coming with more such videos that are helpful for you very soon. Until then, take care of yourself and bye.